Welcome to our story. 10 creatures that thrive in volcanic environments. Volcanic regions for the world host a range of unique species that have evolved and adapted to these remarkable habitats. Volcanoes are ecologically sensitive areas that often witness the birth of nature with an unsustainable landscape, warm temperatures, and the release of toxic gases. These areas are as unique as they are bizarre. bizarre. These volcanic regions of the world host a range of unique species that have evolved and adapted to these remarkable habitats. Here are 10 you must know about. Land iguana. These large cousins of the lizard are native to the Galapagos Islands, thriving in intense volcanic terrains. They use the warmth from these volcanic rocks to regulate warmth inside their body. They can detect volcanic activity and feed on cactus and vegetation. Leisure flamingo. The leisure flamingo inhabits extremely saline lakes like Lake Northron and feeds on Canabacteria bacteria, Canobacteria that flourish in such locations. Its unique evolution allows it to survive in salinity, leaves that would be lethal to all conventional species. Jacob's penguin. The Jacob's penguin, also known as the African penguin, is known to live on the shores of volcanic islands. They use their surroundings rocks to nest and protect themselves from potential predators. Hawaiian Blackfoot limpet. As the name suggests, this marine gastropod is native to the volcanic islands of Hawaii. Hawaii. It uses its strong limbs to stay put in the water, keeping predators at bay and feeding on algae, algae, vampire, ground finch, living in the unstable terrain of the Galapagos Islands. This small bird has evolved to drink the blood of seagulls to supplement its nutritional requirements. It does so in cases of food shortage caused by volcanic activities. Nene. The Nene is a Hawaiian goose that has adapted to the rugged terrain of the volcanic islands of Hawaii. It feeds on local vegetation, living in the harsh conditions of the region with ease. Pacific sleeper shark. This species of shark lives in deep oceans that are home to active volcanic activity. The Pacific sleeper shark has developed the ability to thrive in cold and high pressure environments, making it a suited inhabitant of underwater volcanic areas. Salamanders. This species of salamanders can use their skin to permeate, permeate moisturize. Thus, they often benefit from living in geothermal areas that have warm temperatures and abundant moisture. Volcano rabbit. This rabbit has thick fur and inhabits high altitude volcanic areas. It mainly feeds on grass and leafy vegetation that is found abundantly in mountains terrain. Giant tube worms found in marine geothermal locations, these worms have evolved and adapted to the extreme conditions and temperatures posed by such locations. This is the most important to our story and best information by the any question to query, comment on and ask me. Every time your questions to answer I given by the best solution. Thanks for watching.